And the first question we need to answer is, what is a chemical? Because everybody talks about being really scared of chemicals, but the truth is everything around us is a chemical that is matter because it's made of atoms. Iron is an atom. It's an element, Fe. So if we have a bunch of these guys here, a bunch of the same Lego, then they are individual, unattached atoms, which means that iron is an element. Okay? It's a bunch of atoms. Now, let's separate the board here. And oxygen, O, is also on the periodic table. It has a singular symbol. And to represent the oxygens, each one of those is an individual, unattached oxygen atom. So, oxygen also is an element. Okay? So, we have two different elements. Now, if we take these two elements and stick them together in very specific ratios, I have 3 oxygens and 2 irons. 1, 2, 3 oxygens stuck to 2 irons. 1, 2, 3 oxygens also stuck to 2 irons. Okay? So all of the same molecule. Now we have Fe2, O3, and that is called rust, friends. So when iron atoms, 2 iron atoms attach to 3 oxygens, we get the compound of rust, which is made of Fe2O3 molecules. Let's take a look at another ejemplo. So we have a bunch of unattached individual carbon atoms. So we have carbon is a what? Boom shakalaka, that's right, an element. And on the other side of the board, we have a bunch of these little gold kind of conical structures. And they are hydrogens, capital H. They are also individual unattached atoms, which makes them an element. So we have 2 different elements, elemental carbon, elemental hydrogen. They each have a singular atomic symbol. And in the real world, carbon will also often attach to 4 hydrogen friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 to a carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 to a carbon. So we have 4 carbons and 4 hydrogens and 1 carbon. Can you guess what the formula is going to be? This is a substance called methane, a chemical called methane. CH4, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens, is a bunch of the same molecule, a bunch of CH4 molecules. Therefore, it is a compound. Molecule. Compound of methane, CH4.